All right, good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome to another episode of Trade with Easy and the Oracle. It is going to be Wednesday, July 22nd, 2026. And we are live in the market here. Let's see what we got going on. Man, let's see. We got the orb. 15-minute candles in play. We got the orb. We're going up. Let's see what we're going to do here. All right. Welcome, everybody.
Did I get the thing? I didn't, honey.
Didn't?
No.
Oh. I'm trying to see if we can fix that. All right. So let's talk about the market for a second. We've been on a downward trend. We got a correction. We got down. We have a Trump tweet. I was watching pregame show. We got a Trump tweet right here. We had that knocked us down for a second, and then we've been going up. Now, here's the thing before we get to the top of the hour here that kind of got me hesitant. We got an 8 o'clock candle with no wick on it. We got a 15-minute candle with no wick on it. We got a no wick here on a 15-minute candle, no wick here on a 15-minute candle, no wick here. So we have a couple of 15-minute candles with no wick on it as we trend up. We got a 1-hour candle with no wick on it. So that's telling me some way, somehow, this candle got to be retraced. We got a no wick here on a 15-minute candle. That's telling me that somehow, some way, this candle go get retraced. If we pull our Fibonacci out and we go from here to here, we right at the 61.8. As you can tell, we just popped right over 61.8. So if we keep going up and hit the 78, then we going back up to all-time highs up here. But if we don't get to 78.6, then we coming down. I'm still thinking. Got news candle. That's at 3 o'clock. I'm still thinking that the 9 o'clock candle may go up a little bit and come back and retrace this whole candle. So 30-minute candle, as you can see, boom, boom, boom. We're right at the 61.8. Going higher. All right. RSI is a little high as we go higher. We passed the orb, but we haven't come back and retested the orb. Let's go look at that. So we passed the orb. We come back down on the smaller time frame, like we retested the orb. Okay, so we did do a retest of the orb on a smaller time frame, and so we going higher.
I watch that next hourly probably gonna come retrace this whole candle. But look, this be the goal. This is where we going.
Yeah, I think that we go retrace this whole candle. All right. She hesitating right there. Hesitating right there. Mm-hmm. Take that off. Take bruh.
I'm making you do. I'm sorry, I'm making you nervous, man. I'm just looking for it to do something, you know.
Yeah, right. Okay.
I know every day what it does. It goes here, and I'm just trying to see if it's gonna do that, honey.
Okay.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Yeah, hourly don't have no week.
Yeah, hourly don't have no wick, so we may go ahead and tap up here and at the 100% fib, and we just got to look for probably, well, if it's about the 78, we might tap the 78. If we tap the 78, then we definitely be looking for a retracement. All right. All right, welcome everybody. If you're just joining us, we are looking at this upward trend 2 minutes before the top of the hour. So many bars going up. We're right at almost the 78.6 on the fib, and a nice little recovery going on here. But when we look at this 15-minute candle, previous 15-minute candle don't have a wick, and the candle before then don't have a wick. We got 3 15-minute candles with no wicks on it, and the 8 o'clock candle does not have a wick. So that's telling me that we're going to get a retracement all the way back down. I think we may hit up here, and I think we're going to probably have a whole hourly retracement. So that's what I'm thinking. You took that off?
Yeah, but I'm disappointed though in myself. No, I'm not. I am, because look, I'll explain probably after the live. Yeah. But the target, I just got 2 inches at the target.
I think you did fine.
No.
Yeah.
No, because either this or that very next candle will go up and hit that and come back. You don't think so? Okay.
I mean, he may go up there and hit a wick and come down, but you were safe.
Okay, I don't know.
9 o'clock candle.
And I'm satisfied.
Yes.
You know?
Not so many times we get a huge upward trend, a downward trend.
That's why I try to take advantage of it.
But that's
I don't want to cut it short. You know?
You didn't. You did good. You perfect. Perfect. Okay. So here's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for the 9 o'clock to go up a little bit, hit this high for a wick, and then maybe come back down and retrace this whole candle.
And that's what I wanted to do. Hit the high for the week to get the full play out of this. and then they come back and retrace. Wow, this hourly candle, 8 o'clock candle didn't have a wick on the top or the
Or the
bottom.
bottom. So it has to form, it has to get it wick here. This one here is really, but we so separated from the 20. From the 20. So I'm thinking she might come back down. At least to the orb, because now we have a whole gap right here. Then
All right, baby.
yep. We might go through some consolidation right here.
Yeah, probably not. I think we're gonna come back and I think we might retest the orb right here. I don't know if we're gonna come in the orb, but I think we'll probably come back and retest the orb. And I think this may bounce up to here.
We had a nice little downward trend here. Boom. Downward trend. And we had another trend here. Okay. And we broke that trend. Okay. We had a nice little trend here. We broke that trend. And we went up. Came back down. We tested. That's a news candle right there. And we going up. It would be nice if that new 4-hour candle had a nice, better wick, but it doesn't.
4 hour?
Yeah, it was this new 4-hour candle.
I was kind of wanting to see it retrace at least to the 28 of the field from the previous day. See right there?
Yeah.
But
Something.
then again, it may not.
Mm-hmm. It's here. So we're right at the 78. I mean, it hit the 78 perfectly right here. Then we tapped out with a double top up here at the 78.6. And now we going down.
We still on top of the EMA and stuff right there. It's gonna go.
Look like we may be in a recovery stage from this big drop from the previous days, couple of days when we had that drop back last week. We consolidated. Now we look like we going on an upward trend. So we may be going on an upward trend. We had a huge drop last week, consolidated, and then look like we doing a recovery back up.
But look at this clean retracement. Yeah. Look at all of that. That was hours and hours and hours, and one candle come and retrace all of that. Clean. Nice move. That means this 9 o'clock candle probably gonna be a big move too. But are we retracing all the way back to the downside?
Yeah, see that's my only thing. I
think we're gonna tap the daily first though before we do. Will we? Nah. Going down
if that 8 o'clock candle had a wick, then I'll be very confident in this thing going. But
back up here.
Yep, looks like she is going longy dongy.
So for a long you're not looking to take anything, huh?
For a long, this would probably be my entry right here for a long.
I'm about to say.
Yeah, for a long, this would be my entry.
Definitely would be. Only thing that concerns me is the 200 EMA on the hourly chart
Yep.
and the daily, but I think it's gonna go to that and come back.
Or we got to get a top wick and come down.
Yeah, it may hit it and squeeze all the way down.
Yep.
That's true. I take that.
The long.
Mm-hmm. I know.
Wait, let me see.
It's got to get a penny over for me to,
Mm-hmm.
you know.
That's what I'm thinking.
Other than that, it's a no-go.
Yep. If it does.
I was thinking more of a retest in the orb too, though.
Yep.
I really came back to retest the orb.
I don't know why I think it's short.
Mm-hmm.
Because of the no wick of the previous candle. See, that's what I was thinking. At least back to the 200. See, that's what I'm thinking, short. I may be wrong, but
Gotta come down. So,
I'm gonna take this short.
that's but that last hourly was an elephant though.
Yeah,
So,
I'm gonna take the short
Okay.
and to at least the 50%.
okay. Shit, that's about retracing the whole candle.
Well, hell, might as well. If we go retrace the whole candle, might as well go all the way down.
Yeah.
I may be wrong. I got a $300 stop.
I see you got the 200 is straight, and I got the 9 is pointed up. So let's see what that's gonna do.
I may be wrong on this one, but I'm gonna test it out. Only thing that concerns me is that this candle really doesn't have a huge wick. That is making me think that it come back up, get a wick, and then come back down.
Yeah, no, that's what the 9 o'clock do.
That's what it does. Because since it don't have a wick at all, I mean, it has a wick, but it doesn't have a wick to...
Excuse me.
Where is that 200? 200 is 2,900.
You said the 200.
Well, yeah, the 200 is at 2,900. Which is the bottom of that damn candle.
Okay, so now the 20 is at the top of the orb, and
Yeah.
that almost look like where we're peaking at. That's different heading over there. All the way down here.
So, reason why I'm taking this trade is the 8 o'clock candle doesn't have a wick. We had a huge uptrend to the upside. Which is, I mean, you know,
Like about
almost
the
1,000
nine.
points up.
Okay, so it looked like we did hit the 23%.
Yeah.
We're squeezing up a little.
I mean, give it some room. I need to see if it goes get his wick and then come back down, or maybe it is getting his wick to go back up for another long. Because we right off the 20.
Let me see. Rent.
Yep. I may be wrong on this one because we going wide. We going wide on the 20.
Well, remember, we only supposed to be entering off one of our,
Yeah.
or
I'm trying to go back
tip
down
or
to the.
whatchamacallit. I don't know, but it wasn't an excitement candle. What you think?
I don't think so. I believe that I think it's go come up, get his wick, because it's not a deep enough wick. I think it's go come up, get his wick, and then come back down. But again, I might be wrong, because it is following the 20. It is following the 20. But if it goes a little, but if it goes over here, then I'll just get out, but not take a minimum. But I want to see it goes to the 200. The 200 right here is at the bottom of this wick. That's where the 200 is. The 200 is at the bottom of the 8 o'clock candle.
Yeah.
It's at 29,104. 29. Matter of fact, it's right here. 29,104, way at the bottom down here. That's the 200.
Mm-hmm. Gotta come under the
Yeah, to come under the
20 there.
The 20.
20 is pointed up though.
I know the 20 is pointed up. Yeah, I'm taking a chance on this one. I got my stops.
Yeah, I don't see anything in golf and nothing like an elephant and nothing with a tip.
Yeah.
Or not off of one of the zone, off the 20 or the 200. I'm not. That's what we watched yesterday.
The only reason why we actually did right there
Right, did what?
get a indication
Oh, off the
off the 200, off the 20.
that's the 9. This the 9.
They're right there.
Yeah.
That's the 20.
Uh-huh.
You see that right there?
Uh-huh.
That the red candle.
Uh-huh.
That was my indication right there.
Okay.
Then the other red candle engulfed that color. and then the other one engulfed it.
Try not to the orb now. I gotta get a wick off of the which one call them? Okay, this would be
Okay. We got this 15-minute candle with no wick, this 15-minute candle. We got 3 15-minute candles right here with no wicks on them.
okay.
Then we have the hourly candle with no wick. So
That is so crazy. I'm not in that chat, man.
I'll be hesitant right at the 50 right there, because we could just hit we could go back down and hit this. Let me, you know what? Let me change my Fibonacci again, and let's do this. Right there.
Oh, this 9 o'clock gives you the blues, don't it?
Yeah, it does.
Damn, man.
Fuck, man, it does. I could take my film off there. I just marked out the 50%, so take that off. Yeah, the 9 o'clock give you the
Does
blues.
that, huh? Yeah. The 200 look like it's kind of moving up a little bit. You on YouTube on 2?
Huh?
You on YouTube on 2?
On what?
Damn, look at that shit.
I know.
You checked the orb, huh?
Yeah.
Damn, will it get above this 200 over here on the hourly? I don't know. I'll wait till 9:30 and see.
So yeah, it's filing the 20, maybe in the wrong. Yeah. Yep, she got her wick and pushing up, bro. Yep, I'm on the wrong side.
Our dirty candle almost in.
Yep.
About 8 more minutes. Honestly, this is a box.
Yeah. More of a consolidation.
Back down, babe.
I know.
Trust the process.
Yeah, I'm gonna trust the process because I still believe that since it don't have it may not retrace that whole candle at 9 o'clock.
Yeah,
but
it may come down to the end of the orb.
Right, yeah, it may come down to the end
know,
of the orb, yeah.
right above the 50% or something. Because the 50% is almost the whole candle. Well, it depends on how you have your orb set up.
Yeah.
You have yours on the daily, previous daily.
You talking about the orb? I got the 15-minute orb set up. You talking about the Fibonacci?
I'm sorry, the fib.
Fib, yeah, I got it marked out. I put it on the previous hourly.
Oh, okay.
And I got the 50% marked out right here. If you put, if we go here, let me see, though, we go here.
You have your 100% up?
100% is at the bottom. And
yeah, so that might be right, babe. So that's right in the orb.
That's right in the orb. It's right in the orb. So when I get close to the 50% of the orb, I'm going to break even. So it could be a free play.
Okay. 5 more minutes until the next 30-minute candle.
Yeah. She a slow mover. She a slow mover. Right now, even though we going down a little bit, we still, it could still pop back up. Yep, she a slow mover. The 8 o'clock candle was good. It moved fast. 9 o'clock candle, everybody's kind of selling off, getting their profits. So that's the deal with that. What am I doing here? Put this right.
Oh, consolidating on top of the orb.
Yeah. Once it get to, like I said, around the 50%, I think I'll go break even. It's still too close.
Yeah, this is definitely a box thing.
Yeah. RSI looks good. It's not. It's right in the middle. It ain't at the bottom or it ain't at the top.
That's crazy. The psychology video I listened to this morning was about this. It was about the 3 phases of trading, and the 3rd phase is your final phase when you master the patience of just waiting.
Just pace, yeah.
Yeah, not trading, just waiting
Just
until you get to a certain
Yep.
point, a certain setup for you to take the play.
If we stay underneath, starting to see the 20 starting to curve.
You see that, huh?
Yep, we starting to see the 20 starting to curve, so that's
the
good.
9 and the 20 is
Crisscross, 9 and the 20 crisscross. So that's a good thing. So since the 9 and the 20 crisscross,
you need to stay under the 20.
right, we need to stay under the 20. If we stay under the 20 and we go all the way down to the 200, it will be fine. If we don't get a tweet.
And it's so crazy if the tooth is in your diary on the
Yeah,
right
yeah, if
side.
I'm on the
Huh?
right side. If we get a tweet and I'm on the right side, it'd be great. This kind of reminded everybody we did get a tweet from Trump right here, right before the 8 o'clock candle came in session
Today.
today. Yep, we got a tweet and it went. I mean, it went instantly down. Like it moved, it dropped, and then it started coming back up. So, yeah, we had a Trump tweet right here.
Yeah, you look at it too with a big move up like that.
Yeah,
It's exhausted right
it's
now.
exhausted. Yeah.
Yeah, big pop like that. No momentum, huh?
No. That 2 minute candle ain't got no wick on it. Let's see. Yeah, 2 minute candle doesn't have a wick on it. We right in the box.
Outside of the oil thing.
Yep. Yep. 30-minute candle that came in, getting this wick.
Yeah, the way it ended, it looked like shorts is in play.
Yep.
It's gotta flush down though. It's gotta break into the orb.
Yep. The 30-minute candle got its wick and it's coming back down. It's all about patience. I'm only risking $300 on this place, so
Bitch ain't go under the 23. That's what we need you to do. Come under the 23 to the orb
yeah.
if shorts is in play.
Definitely one thing about this game is it's all about patience, y'all. You go win some, you go lose some. But if you stay patient, then let the play out and go from there. We might tap down there. We got a couple of, check out the 15 minute right there. This turn raised. You got a 15 minute right here. Long wick. Long wick.
Let's see what the 15 look like. Damn, look at how the 15 building up. I don't care for that. Don't like that. Not good for shorts.
Yeah, we got a couple of rejections down here.
It could just, yeah, it could just drop, but we're not, we can't get below the orb.
Nope.
On the 5-minute chart, we hanging on the 9 EMA.
Mm-hmm. But when I'm seeing on the 20 starting to curve. That's a good thing. The 20 starting to curve, and
Oh, they're about to cross over again, huh?
yeah.
Look like is the 200 coming up?
The 200
because it
is
looks like
coming
it's coming. Well,
Yes,
closing looks like it a
closing,
little
right.
bit. Yeah.
That's a good thing. That's what I want to see. I want to see it come down and touch the 200. So the 200 have moved to 29.15. Yep, right. 20. That's where I got my take profit at 29.15. 29.015. That's exactly where I got my profit at. Now, I'm not sure whether or not just go do it in the 9 o'clock hour because we already almost 20 minutes before the top of the hour.
I know something probably about to happen because these candles are getting smaller and we're closing. We narrow.
Yeah.
Quite to the 2-minute chart though. But not the 20 and the 200 narrow. That's the 20 and the 9.
Yeah. Then we have the volume has definitely went down. Not like it was this morning. Okay. See if we could break out of this box. If we get, like I said, once we get below a certain point, I'm gonna go break even. It is what it do at that point. We just need to break. I'm liking what I'm seeing with the 20, the 20 curving. So if you look at the 20, this is what we're talking about. The 20 right now is curving. Okay, so the 20 is curving. I'm looking for the 20 to meet up with the 200. So we had an upward trend. Now we starting to see it curve with the 20 come down like that. So this is what I'm playing right here. We just need to break these. Let it break that.
So
We gonna break it. Yep. Good deal. Keep going. Keep
Okay.
going. Keep going. Yes. Finally.
gotta put you through so much,
Yeah,
huh?
finally. Finally broke. All right, we at the orb.
Mm-hmm.
Took a while.
But we're here, huh?
Took a while to break. But finally. Okay. All right.
Almost 45 minutes into the hour.
Yeah, almost 45 minutes in an hour. Here we go. All right, let me see where my 200 at. 29,119. 29,119. So it is creeping up. The 200 is creeping up.
Slowly.
Slowly. Long as we stay
RSI at the bottom.
yeah, it's going up a little bit, but as long as we stay below the 20, I can rock this play.
Get it, baby. Get
Yep.
it.
Because if we look at it, right here, we had the upward trend. We expanded over the 20, right? We come back to the 20, but we so expanded over the 200, right? So we expanded over the 200, bam, bam, bam. So what we got to do, we got to come back down, meet up with the 200, and then from there we may go back up, but we got to come back down. We under the 20. The 20 is curving. So we want to see that 20 come all the way down, meet up with the 200.
It's curving.
It is curving, so the 20 is curving, and meet up with the 2, because when we had that upward trend, we crossed over right there. We expanded out, then boom, we went way up here.
This
Then-
tapping back into London right here.
Mm-hmm. Yep, right there, I see it.
Got that little cross-looking candle there.
RSI is a little low.
And the new 15-minute is almost in.
I'm gonna break even.
Don't blame you.
Gonna break even on that. Just in case. Just in case that London right there, boom.
Yeah,
If she
that's
comes
exactly.
up.
And then there's a little cross that formed
Yeah.
right there. So yeah.
And if it tap me out, I'm good. It's a free play at this point. And then I'll just start moving my stops a little lower.
Kind of close up though, huh?
Yeah. Okay. We inside the orb. Where is the 20? 222. Okay, so the 20 is at 222. Damn it. I might have to go above the 20.
But you stop?
Yep,
Why?
because the 20 is at 222.
I think break even with this.
Yeah, okay.
Cause look, you got a little bear flag action going on here. Remember I told you when you got a lot of little candles in that one area, you don't really get a full drop like that. Sometimes it corrects and oh, you moved it out of the wrong thing. Your head is hard.
No, I'm just thinking it's gonna drop.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, you're almost at the end of the hour.
Oh, yeah.
And so look, this is what I'm seeing from the smaller time frame. This the zone, this London, and this the cross and the tail.
Yeah.
And it was at the bottom of the RSI, so. The 20 holding.
Yeah, 20 is holding. Yeah, that's why I moved it out the way.
Drop it on down. Just don't close above the 20.
Yeah.
Holding, babe.
20 holding. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, look like she coming back up to kind of go right over the. Damn it. Come on now.
Oh, don't keep raising it up. Because look at this on the smaller time frame.
I know, I'm seeing it. I'm seeing it. I'm seeing it. I'm trying to see if the 20 go hold.
Got a wick off the orb. That's crazy. I said that earlier. I said, dang, you think it's going to get a wick to the 23 of the orb? Got a wick at the orb. And
Yeah. Come on, baby. Drop for me. Follow the 20. Follow the 20.
you might need a closer target, you think?
Yeah.
Just retracing the whole candle. Saying, well, it kind of proved it wasn't going to do that, but. Yep, so try this hourly candle range. Range for an hour.
Yeah, range. There we go. She flushing.
Didn't make a new high. That's good.
She flushing now. Yep. Yep.
Home sweat.
No, actually.
bet they are. Mm. Mm. I do need a lower low here. Gotta come back and
Gotta
test
come out.
London.
That's
Yeah. I like the fact that the 20 is holding, but I
yeah,
don't like the fact we're not progressing here. We're not making moves.
yeah.
So I sat on my hand with this one.
Yep. She a slow mover.
Mm-hmm. Well, got less than 10 minutes, babe.
I know. Yeah. Well, you know, if you tap me out, then because I would like to see it do what it do, but at the end of the day, it's not. It's no. The volume is low and it's not flushing. Well, you know, that's what the 9 o'clock does sometimes. Give it a little patience, but it hit that. It hit London. That's why it's
Mm-hmm.
probably going up.
So that could have been your target.
Yeah, could have been a target.
So it hit 25%.
It hit 25%. Yep.
Yeah, and not
Yep, it hit
yeah.
25%.
You were
So
kind of looking to take 75 to 100%.
yeah, because of the no wake, but
it give you 25.
yeah, give me 25. That's okay. I ain't leaving on the red, no, that's for sure. But
And at the end of the day, that's all that matters.
that's all that matters.
Account still in standing.
Yep. Yep, it give you. Yeah, about 20. We could hit the 38. It did. It hit the 38, and that was the last. That was the last focus down right there. So the 50% is right here. That means they have to break.
What if it do it in the last 2 minutes? You know, it do
does
stuff
that.
like
Yeah,
that. You
it
know,
does
it
that.
do, yeah. It might pop down and flush, come in that orb, and
23. Slow mover there.
Mm.
Yep. She is definitely one for the record. There go that 9 o'clock, y'all. That's what it does. That's what it fucking do. That's what it does. Yeah.
Mm.
Mm-hmm. Yep. I'm out. About that play for a break even.
They'll close it out then, huh? Mm.
Break even play right there. And look like the 9 o'clock is going up. Got out of it, broke even. She's yep. She getting ready, you know. I guess the play was right there. We still have issues with the no wick down there, so it may not be discountable. Man, one of these, the 11 o'clock or the 12 o'clock or somebody go come down. One of these candles go come down and retrace this candle. So the 9 o'clock looked like it didn't do it.
That's a very small week.
Yeah, what? The 9 o'clock?
No,
The 8 o'clock?
no, the 8 o'clock.
Ooh,
Yeah,
the
it's
8 o'clock ain't
flat,
no
huh?
wick. I don't see no wick on that 8 o'clock.
Yeah, the top was retraced.
Yep,
The 9
top was
o'clock candle
retraced.
retraced the top a little bit, but yeah.
Yep. All right, y'all. So that's it. We did a couple of trades at the open, got a win, and I got a broke even trade here on the 9 o'clock. So that's what we do, right? We trade every day and let y'all guys see our trades and go from there. We gonna get on out of here. We gonna see y'all tomorrow. Today Wednesday, so tomorrow Thursday.
Yeah.
So we get ready for Thursday, kind of close out the week. All right, we out.
Thank you.
Thank you.